Oh my gosh, where are they? Where are they? God, I hate this guy. Why does he never do anything right? Okay, look. I get it. The T-Rose reviews are missing. But it was because, I got thrown off a little bit last week. Let's rant for a second. Where are the D-Rose 10 Star Wars? Where are the D-Rose 10 Star Wars? Where are they? All right, so now that I'm done. I'm cool. I'm on my whole Kanye now, I'm on my whole, that's on God, In 03, I told him not to drop, so anyway, I'm on my whole Kanye flow right now. Peace, man, Put me in a Dino outfit or something. I don't know. But no, I got upset last week. Not like to the point where I shouldn't have posted a video. I just was more upset because I was like, where are these D-Roses at? I was spending all my time sitting next to my computer just waiting. Because then Adidas decided to be really fun. Y'all decided to put the Rose 9s from when he dropped 50. They aren't his PE. They're a little bit different. So let's talk about that for a second. But y'all decided to put those out. I was like, man. So you gonna drop the Rose 9s and the D-Rose 10s in the same weekend? Come on, bro. But then guess what? They didn't. And guess who else didn't drop them? Finish Line. I've done too much for y'all. So y'all didn't drop them? All right, look, man. All right, so speaking of Finish Line, I got an unboxing here from them. So I'm going to take everything back that I said about Finish Line. Finish Line, hey, way to hook a brother up, man. I appreciate it. They didn't hook me up. I paid full retail. But the other thing besides that is that, you know what they did do? They gave your boy free express shipping. It's Monday, and we out here celebrating it like it's a Sunday. You my Chick-fil-A, you know what I'm saying? No, but it's a big box. I haven't gotten a box for shoes this big in a long time. Like, look at this, like bam! Look at that. Oh, Lord. Oh, okay. Okay. What's up with all the Kanye references? I apologize. So let's just open up this box. I was gonna use the knife. So who cares about knives? All right, you're gonna pull tape off. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I don't see. So this is something that I thought was the case, but I wasn't positive about. So now that I know for sure, I'm going to talk about it. I thought these Donovan Mitchells were a part of like the Star Wars collection. Oh, roll a clip.
So that was a fucking lie.
Okay, so like I said, I thought these were Star Wars ones, but they're not. All right. So I copped these. I'm probably going to return these. But who says we can't get them for review first? I'm probably going to return these. I'll exchange them for something else. I want them Venoms, so that's probably what I'll do. But this is a dope colorway, so maybe I'll keep them. But let's just talk about the fact that Donovan Mitchell, his $100 shoe got its own box. But what is this? Where's the... Come on. All right, man. Look, I'm just going to put it back, man. It's alright, man. Okay, so we open up this box. Look, the wrapping paper even got the logo on it, bro. Anybody say, wait a minute, this is like the Bruce Lee colorway. Now that I see these in person, I may not return these. These is cold. The Kobe's with the Bruce Lees. Hey, someone put the clip over it. Shout out to the editor. That's me. Anyway, this is actually a dope colorway. Well, when I saw this, I thought they were a part. I was like, oh, these are a dope colorway, but I was like, it's a Star Wars colorway, so I really want it. But it's just a regular color. So anyway, these is cool. I may actually keep these. I'm kind of mad now, because, like, anyway, let's just put these down here. So, how y'all gonna mix up the box? Why does this one box look super small? All right, anyway, dog, what if they sit? Dang. I thought they sent me a kids for a second, but I'll say, y'all mother suckers. And just to make a point, this is from the Finish of the Lines. Oh, look at that, That's ain't that a great logo? That's a great logo. So yeah, we got in here 2 pairs of Star Wars shoes, and the box is dope. My box is banged up. I don't know how you bang up the box, but it's inside a bigger box, and you got all right. So. Wayne is always popping up, and I appreciate that, man. Oh, this is cold, though. Hold on a second. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect you to hit your boy with the... look, you got Luke's lightsaber. It's a great one, too. Hold on a second. I've been trying to cry for a hot minute, man. Remember a tough month, man. Life changes and shit, but this Star Wars stay consistent. Some people may disagree with that. Even I may disagree with that to some extent. But then this is nice. Look at the green lightsaber, boys. That's dope. And you got the Darth Vaders down here. All right, so this isn't the review, because I'll do individual reviews of these. But this is, we got to talk about this unboxing, see the excitement. They got the Disney logo on the box. Send them back. No, I'm kidding. That's not how I feel. No weapon is more recognizable than the lightsaber. Each lightsaber is crafted to help the Jedi who wield it protect peace and justice in the galaxy. Like a Jedi's lightsaber, Adidas basketball's signature shoes are designed for the players who wear them. In this way, each shoe is an extension of the player's skill set and unique abilities. You have chosen yours, and the shoes in this box are created to help you master your destiny. May the Force be with you. So on here you see Kylo's, you see the classic Skywalker lightsaber. You see Vader's, you see Yoda's, you see Mace Windu's, and you see Darth Maul's. So that's dope. The UV fluorescent effect on these shoes will fade over time with normal wear due to photo degradation. But that's great. The wrapping paper's dope. Oh! Well, shout out to Darth Vader himself, because these are dope. I'm vibing. What they smell like? Oh, they smell pretty good, boy. I'll tell you. This ain't the review, but this is fire, bro. Adidas and Star Wars collabed about a handful of years back with Adidas Originals. Some dope stuff came out of it, and now I'm just like looking forward to seeing what comes, out of the rest of this. There's some Ultra Boosts coming out later. So this lightsaber pack is super dope. I do like those a lot, so that's cool. So I'm happy I got those from Adidas. And then this other pair, let's see if it does the same thing inside the box real quick. Oh, this is a bigger one. Yo, hold on a second. Tell me how they do this. You got this small one, right? But in this box, got this big one, right? Like, how does that even make sense? They both say the same thing, but damn, like, I can see the full lightsaber on this one. So that's definitely Luke's from earlier, like the Skywalker lightsabers, I like to call it. And it's not the version of it that Bray has, but it's, okay. That's cool. All right, well, let's look at this other shoe. And I hope these fit me size-wise, because I haven't tried on this shoe. But this is the Harden Volume 4s. And, dang, these are actually pretty light. This is the Mace Windu ones. They're dope, as you can see. They got nice materials on them. So, if y'all want to catch reviews of these, of course, I'll be posting them on the channel. I'll let you know about size and fit. This is cool. I dig this. I'm not a super huge fan of this colorway, but the more I see it and actually finally seeing it in person, holding it in a hand, these aren't bad. They look like feet you wear, the outsole at least. Like it's like a new feet you wear or something like that, kind of. But these is cold, boy. These is cold. So, that's cool. It'll be also really cool if, in this box, if we just had a pair of D-Rose 10s, right? Like, wouldn't that just be swell? D-Rose 10s with the dope little sweater. The sweater dope. All right, so now that we did the unboxing, I'm going to end the video on a slightly sour note. I do want to talk about the release itself because I feel like it should be talked about. That release was... Every release, man. I have not enjoyed a single release on Adidas my entire time of trying to get like highly sought after shoes. Never. And I don't know why it's so hard. Why is it that when you go on Adidas.com, stuff doesn't drop when it's supposed to? It's not on everything that's supposed to drop doesn't drop. It's unclear when stuff is dropping. You try to like you can be whatever status you want to be on the app. You still don't get the drop. Like, it's weird. You get notifications late. It really sucks. Especially as being a big Adidas and mainly Derrick Rose. But, like, everything over here is a non-D Rose shoe. Y'all don't even see what's sitting over here. These are all Ultra Boosts, Hardens, EQT Boosts, Night Joggers. Like, I don't own Jordans. Y'all know that. I don't own Nikes. But I know from watching friends / helping friends get releases of shoes that their app system, whatever they got going on, for the most part, is ran way better than Adidas. And I personally think as an Adidas fan and as a person who likes shoes, there's absolutely no excuse as far as I'm concerned. I just don't understand why that's the case. And this is coming from, has been happening. I've got a couple Yeezy releases off Adidas.com. I can't lie. Like, I got, Well, actually, no. I don't even know what Adidas like. I take that back. I've not gotten a single Yeezy off of Adidas. No, that's not true. I got a pair of 700s. I returned them. But I returned them because it was an accidental purchase because they were still sitting up on the website. That's the only reason why I was able to get them. But the rest of their shoes, like the rest of the Yeezys I got them off of Yeezy Supplier. I got them through Foot Locker and in store. Okay. The Dragon Ball collection that dropped on Adidas.com back in August, September, October, and November of last year. Like, I know that like that release caused me way more stress in my life at a time when I didn't need it, and it was like, what's going on? Also with shoes, like, let's take a step back. That's not their fault. Like, that's my fault. Let's just be honest. It is my fault, not y'all fault. But I don't understand why it's so hard that when you say dropping at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time or Western Standard Time or Pacific time, like, or when you say it's dropping at a time, why is it so hard to drop it at said time? And on top of that, why is it so hard that like just send a push notification out to the app, or even do it as like a Raffrey entry or something? Like, it's just really frustrating, especially too because the Adidas releases are so stuff like this one. The Yeezy ones are a little bit better because at least on the Yeezy ones, like I go on there, they're on the website. You either sit scrolling for a while or you don't. I did get a pair off of Adidas now that I think about it. That was a pair of the 350s. My blue tents were off of there now that I think about it. So I take my smart comment back. I just don't get it. I really don't. And it's frustrating, especially as a fan of Adidas and as a fan of Star Wars and as a fan of, Dragon Ball. Those Naruto ones are supposed to come out. Like, so when I'm trying to support the brand that I like a lot and I can't do that, like I am willing to purchase that from them. That sucks. On top of the fact that, like, we're not even talking about the fact that the Rose brand doesn't have things on the site stateside besides his shoes, and then the hat is on there, and then like what else we have apparel wise? They don't give us socks anymore. They don't give us shirts. They don't give us shorts. And I potentially understand the fact that like in the U.S. region, Derek's stuff does not sell the way it used to. But when you post limited sizing of things on the website and it sells out very quickly, and then like you don't like repost, like I don't understand. And that goes back to another thing. The release on this past weekend for the Star Wars stuff was so bad, I don't even know if the Dame 5s dropped in the lightsaber colorway in my size, because they were never, from the start of the release till even now, they never showed my size being in stock. Never. I saw everything from like, what's it, a 15 up is in stock. And the other colorways, they don't look like they sold out. And so that, for me, that makes me go, either A, there's a glitch, or B, people just really love the Dame and they use bots and stuff. Whatever the case may be, I don't know. But it's frustrating as a fan, and it's something I wish would change. So, Adidas, man, if you guys are watching this, hopefully fix it, something. I love to know when the D-Rose 10s are coming out. I want them. I want the sweater. I plan to buy actually 3 pairs of those D-Roses because I'm a huge Star Wars fan. So, anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching this. Until next time, guys, peace. And, you'll catch me out here having reviews and stuff. We'll see you guys soon. All right, bye.